Hi, my name is Big Bird, and I've got a very unusual story to tell you about. This door. Once upon a time, I wanted to open this door. No, actually, I needed to open this door because I was going somewhere and I had to go through this door to get there. Now, I've opened quite a few doors in my day, so I did what I'd always done before. I took hold of the doorknob and I turned it like this, and I pushed like this, but it didn't open. I thought it was stuck. So I turned the door knob a little harder, and I pushed a little harder like this, but it still wouldn't open. I thought, wow, this door must be really stuck. So I turned the knob as hard as I could, then I pushed as hard as I could like this.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Nani?
But it still wouldn't open. So I was getting very upset, so I screamed like this. Didn't help. So I got really angry, and I stamped my foot like this. And then I said,
Fuck!
But then an idea popped into my head like this. What if I tried a whole different way of opening this door?